Hi everyone, so we are in Jewel today and we were walking in the fountain and we saw this girl. She was holding on to this billboard or this whiteboard, right? And on the board it says that today's her birthday and she's asking people around to actually write her a note. You know, like what kind of things or what kind of tips we can give her, you know, if you were 21 years old again, right? So me and my wife wrote some notes for her and then realized that no, she's here in Singapore to study, right? And unfortunately she's alone, so I think that's why she wanted to do this interesting stuff, right? So right now me and my wife, we are going to get her a small little gift. I think we are going to get this for Zining instead. Strawberry for you. You'll get it? Yeah, we get one of those.
Milo dinosaur.
Milo dinosaur?
Yeah, Milo dinosaur.
I think this thing one we get the raspberry ripple. Okay, so we bought a small little gift, right, from Sour Bombay. Right, so we're going to find Zining now, which hopefully she's still at the fountain area, and then let's give it to her. Let's go. Hi Zining, here's a small little birthday gift. No problem. Okay, bye bye. You too. Hey, mission accomplished. Yeah. So, just some small acts of kindness. Do you call it kindness? Is this kindness? I don't know. So, just doing some acts of kindness here. Sharing the love.